How to add a menu button to your Wix website. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, we will add a button on the corner of our Wix website, which is, if we hover over it, it's actually going to allow us to access the menu instead of, the normal Wix menu that we would have. So first, just go ahead and open up your site and the site editor. And we basically want to do a few things. Now, Wix itself does not provide that option. So instead, we are just going to actually install an external application, which is going to help us achieve this basically. So once this loads in, I'm just going to show you what I'm trying to say here. So we can actually see we have this normal menu now. I know the site doesn't look good. It's just for testing. Anyway, so I'm just going to hide it real quick. And to do so, we're just going to go to pages and menu. Go to the home page, 3 dots, and then from here we just want to hide from, no, we don't want it to be here. Actually, what we want to do is just go to settings, I believe. Yes, we go to settings, and then from settings we go to layout, and then we do the no header, no footer option. This is pretty much one way to remove the menu, or we can just go ahead and hide all the elements from the menu like so. But anyways, to actually add the button to our menu itself and actually have that button, what we need to do is just go ahead and open up the Add Apps section from the left panel. And then we want to search for a specific application, which is Impressive. And then site menu, I believe. Yes, there you go. It's this one right here, Impressive Site Menu. And if you just go ahead and open this up, click on Add to Site, which does actually have a free plan. And obviously, you'd want to agree to the terms and conditions after reading them. And then you can just go ahead and add it. And you can see it's already added to our site now. We can just go ahead and click on Refresh Page. And obviously, when it comes to customization, you can feel free to customize it the way you like, and I will show you how to do so right now. And when I say there's plenty of customizations, I actually mean it. Colors, design-wise, functionality-wise, and also animation-wise when the menu pops up, and a lot more stuff. So you can just go and click on it, and we can just go ahead and open up the settings here for it. And we can actually see the layout section, how it's actually going to look like for us, the settings, logo and title, menu order, and so much more. You can actually change the menu order from here. And also choose whichever pages you want to actually show or not. And also the design aspects you can also change from here. And basically, if we just go ahead and preview our site now, hopefully it did actually save for us. If not, there you go. So once you actually click on it or even hover over it, it's actually going to open up this menu for us. Now the links to those are also going to be included within the settings of the menu. But here you can actually go ahead and switch between pages using this new menu button that we have. And if you remove these, it's even going to be a lot better. You can remove them from the two methods that I already showed you how to do. So this is pretty much all there is to it. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.